At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Starting an LLC, limited liability company, in Illinois involves several steps. Here's a general guide to help you through the process. 1. Choose a name. Select a unique name for your LLC that complies with Illinois naming requirements. Ensure the name includes LLC or Limited Liability Company at the end. You can check the availability of your chosen name on the Illinois Secretary of State's website. 2. Appoint a registered agent. You need to designate a registered agent who will receive legal documents on behalf of your LLC. The agent must have a physical address in Illinois. 3. File Articles of Organization. Submit the Articles of Organization to the Illinois Secretary of State. You can file online, by mail, or in person. This document includes basic information about your LLC, such as its name, address, registered agent, and purpose. 4. Create an operating agreement. While not required by Illinois law, it's highly recommended to create an operating agreement. This document outlines the ownership structure, management, and operating procedures of your LLC. 5. Obtain an EIN. Apply for an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. This unique number is used for tax purposes and is necessary if your LLC has employees or multiple members. 6. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Depending on your business type and location, you may need to obtain specific licenses or permits to operate legally in Illinois. Check with local and state authorities to ensure compliance. 7. File annual reports. Illinois requires LLCs to file an annual report with the Secretary of State. This report updates the state on your LLC's activities and includes any changes to the business. 8. Comply with tax obligations. Understand your LLC's tax obligations at the federal, state, and local levels. You may need to register for state taxes, such as sales tax or employer withholding tax. 9. Maintain compliance. Stay informed about ongoing compliance requirements for LLCs in Illinois. This includes renewing licenses, filing annual reports, and adhering to state regulations. It's a good idea to consult with a legal or financial professional to ensure you complete all necessary steps correctly and understand the implications for your specific business. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.